FBD Insurance Ireland app. The pros, the cons. The FBD Insurance Ireland app is designed to make managing your car insurance simple, but most people get this wrong if they assume it's just a digital IT card. This app allows users to handle policies, make payments, and submit claims directly from their smartphone. On the pros side, you can view and update policy details, access digital documents, and pay premiums instantly. Filing a claim is easy with step-by-step guidance, photo uploads, and real-time tracking. Roadside assistance requests and important notifications about policy updates are included. Users highlight the clean interface, fast performance, and intuitive navigation. On the cons side, some users report minor glitches or slowdowns during peak usage. Advanced analytics or coverage comparisons are limited. Offline functionality is minimal, so a stable internet connection is needed for full access. In conclusion, the FBD Insurance Ireland app provides convenient policy management, real-time claim tracking, and easy access to documents. While it may lack advanced analytics, it's a reliable and user-friendly tool for Irish drivers managing car insurance on the go.